everyone, it's NatalieGisselle, if you didn't already, and I'm back with another video. And for this week's video, I thought I would do a succulent cacti terrarium. And I have a couple here, but I also have some in my greenhouse that I may be adding. And I got this, like the terrarium tank or whatever it's called. I got it at Five Below. This is how it looks. It has a little rope to hang and then the hole here to add. I went to Lowe's the other day and I picked up these in the front. So these three are cacti, and then these two are like succulents type. And then I have two more here that I think I got at Home Depot. And then I have this like little grass thingy, succulent chic boutique golden moss. So it's like moss. And I thought this would be really cute to add. And then right here in the Dollar Tree bag, I have some rocks that I'm gonna use for like design and stuff inside the terrarium to like take up room and all that good stuff. I've never made one. I saw YouTube videos on how they need to put rock and drainage because these don't usually have holes. But I usually only water them when they dry out, so it's that type of cycle. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, so I'm not too worried about it. So I don't think I'm gonna be using these for today, so I'm gonna go take them. They look very scary. I also have some soil on the ground, two different types. One is a cacti, palm, and citrus, and then the other one is potting mix. And I always use the potting mix one for everything. My plants have been fine. So I think I'm gonna put some big rocks on the edge and then put some soil in the middle. I don't know how to do this. I'm just gonna wing it. I'm gonna add some rocks to the bottom first to help with drainage, I guess. I don't know. The hole right here is not that high up, so I can't put a whole lot of like dirt or rocks or anything, because then it's gonna be hard to put my stuff in without the dirt having to fall out. The rocks are kind of just to help the dirt stay in the middle. I don't know, I don't really like her. So I have my rocks set up, so now I'm just gonna add some dirt to the middle. If it doesn't fit in the terrarium, then I'm gonna just plant it in a pot, and maybe just put like some other plants in here that are smaller and easier, like, you know, I don't know, we'll find out. I'm gonna go back later once I'm done with these and add more dirt. So I have some leaves growing on a saucer pen, I think that's what it's called, I'm not sure. And basically they've already have like a root system going on. So I took those leaves out and I'm just gonna put them in here, like towards the front side areas, because I think that'd be really cute. Okay, that one's not attached. I'm not a professional and I had no idea what I was doing. That's how it looks. I put a bunch of these little ones all around, like almost in between every plant. Then these are from the leaves. That middle one that's so pretty. And I have that one back there, and then that one. I know it's all shriveled, it needs more water. That. And like that. I'm planning on putting this in my room, so hopefully this is good enough for it. If not, I'll probably have to find another container and do it. Okay everyone, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and hopefully this survives everything. And I'll see you guys in the next one.